Sometimes you may face issues signing into your Yahoo Mail due to forgotten passwords, browser problems, or account security alerts. Here's how you can troubleshoot and fix login problems. So first of all, you need to go ahead and check your email and password. Make sure that you're entering the correct Yahoo email and password, and remember that passwords are case sensitive. You can also try resetting your password if needed. Go ahead and search for Yahoo Sign In Helper. Hit enter in your keyboard. Or you can also go to login.yahoo.com/forgot and follow the prompts to recover your account via your recovery email or phone. You can also try clearing the browser cache and cookies. Sometimes old cookies or cache can cause login issues. So go ahead, tap on the three dots in the top right, then tap on settings from the bottom, go to privacy and security, tap on delete browsing data, select cached images and files and tap on delete data, and you'll be done. And also disable VPN or proxy temporarily. VPNs or proxies can sometimes block Yahoo's login servers. And if Yahoo detects suspicious activity from your account, it may block login temporarily. So follow the instructions in any email from Yahoo about securing your account. And try logging in from another device or browser, which can help identify if the issue is with your original device. And follow the steps for account recovery or technical support. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.